This time on Avalanche in San Diego, we go four-wheeling.
Alright, we are in the middle of a wind farm in Ocotillo, and we are on the asphalt road across the desert, and we are turning to the dirt. Limited use area. This is called the Trans-Ocotillo Connector on Onyx Off-Road, and we're following this for some reason for a little bit, and then we're heading to S2 on the dirt. This is one of those millions or at least dozens of BLM roads crisscrossing Ocotillo desert, crisscrossing the desert north of Ocotillo, and nothing too remarkable about it, but this looks like a good beginner trail. It is soft sand. This is not really a car road. This is a truck road or a Subaru. Well, Subaru can take this easily. I just have to watch the map all the time with my right eye because I don't want to get veered off the route. Now I'm on a mission, and the mission is critical. See? There's roads everywhere. I don't think this is going to be a long film. So you get here taking that asphalt road. I will check it on the map and put it on the description or somewhere. When I'm editing this film, I have no idea what that road is called, but it looked like it comes from S2, and it is easy enough to follow. Okay, now if we were just crossing the desert perpendicular in the same direction as the S2, we would go straight. We are taking EC102 because we're heading to a little canyon after this film another episode. So this is what takes us there. Oh, there's a wash, and okay, guess I just follow the tire tracks. I don't really know where the road is. Yeah. Well, I'm sure I'll notice if I drop off the map. And I think I did drop off the map. Yeah. I'm on to the right. The road is on the other side of that wash. Yeah. Let's go around. The road is probably there. It's washed off, but let me try to do this little maneuver here and not get stuck. Yeah, baby. Now we're back on the road. Actually, the road is right there. Well, yeah, so the difficulty of this trail is apparently staying on it. This is not something fun to do in the summer when it's 120 degrees, because you don't want to really get lost here and walk back or have a breakdown or get bit by a snake or whatever critters there are in the desert. But it's May, it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit, unseasonably cool for today, and only for today. Why we are here. Tomorrow is gonna be warm again. And the sun is already brutal. For somebody who has suffered a few skin cancers and wants to avoid this brutality, this is right about the time I should hide under the blankets for the rest of the year. I think some of those trees are called bow willows. I'll put it in the Google machine back home and see which one. I think that looks like a bow willow right there. I mean, I would call it bow willow if I was a sign stalking man. The ocotillos are a little bit red still, the flowers blooming a bit. The last plants that are blooming in here. Everything else is getting dried up. So apart from the navigation part, this is a Subaru road. Or you could take any Jeep Compass or a Wrangler on 42-inch tires if you want. Look at that. But this is what I would call a dirt road. The desert is never the same twice. The conditions vary, and you can't trust this video that it's gonna be like this the next time. When you are here, now we're coming to the S2, and that was a short video. I'll put some AI narrated crap on top so that there's something for you to watch or to listen. Oops, getting stuck. Okay, it's four-wheel drive time.
That's all for Avalanche in San Diego. See you next time.